In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create collections on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned seller or someone who loves to organize your favorite products, creating collections on eBay is a great way to manage and showcase your items effectively. Let's dive into the process so you can neatly categorize your treasures and make them easily accessible for yourself and others. The first step is to navigate to eBay.com and log into your account. This is your central hub for shopping, selling, and organization, so it's essential to be logged in to access all of eBay's features. Once you're at eBay's homepage, enter your credentials and ensure you're successfully logged in. You should see your account information displayed, typically indicated by your name or username at the top right corner. Next, hover over the My eBay section located at the top right of your screen. You'll find this area rich with options that cater to different facets of your eBay activity, such as purchase history, saved items, and selling preferences. For today, we're interested in the My Collection option, so go ahead and click on My Collection. This will direct you to your collection hub on eBay. Once you're on the My Collection page, it's time to add items. Look for the Add Item button. Clicking this will open up a new window, allowing you to curate your collection. This feature provides a straightforward way to categorize and bundle items of interest or importance. Whether you're seeking to assemble a themed group of products or simply want to organize your shopping wish list, eBay Collections offer a tidy solution. And now comes the creative part. In this section, you have the flexibility to choose what exactly you'd like to add to your collection. Perhaps you've got a list of rare vinyl records, or maybe you're curating a selection of vintage watches. No matter the content of your collection, you can add these items by using the search feature to find specific listings or directly entering them if you have them saved elsewhere. Once you've identified an item, click Add to include it in your collection. This approach allows you to build a personal gallery of your selected items. Remember, the power of collections is in their ability to group similar items together, enhancing not only your organizational capabilities, but also possibly attracting followers if you decide to share these collections with the public. By following these steps, you've now created a collection on eBay. Exploring this feature allows you to make the most out of your eBay account, organizing your purchases and interests efficiently. Happy collecting, and enjoy the seamless experience that eBay offers in managing and showcasing your favorite items.